Okay, this is moss green. Cornstarch so it doesn't stick. Plunger cutter, PME, Holly plunger cutter. And the cool thing about this is it embosses at the same time. I could just, do that little plunger thing. Oops. You see that? If you need to, you can put a little sticky stuff on there. And I just pop it right on. Oops. We have some gold Dragees. Just pop those in the center of our hollies. If they don't stick, just use a little water or piping gel. A little bit of piping gel works wonders. Stuck to me. There. And now we're ready to do the bottom border. So let's set this aside just for a second. And I want to do a red bottom border. And I'm just going to do a basic rope. It's no big deal. So nothing, fancy. So we're going to dye this red. I'm using super red, just like for the poinsettia.